Well, good morning, everybody. I thought I'd take a little wander back in Sutton Park. It's been a while since I've been here, spring or summer, I think. Um, it's the season's changed, obviously. We're in the middle of smack in the middle of autumn now, and you can tell by the trees. A lot of the trees now have lost their leaves. They're all discolouring, but sometimes it looks really pretty. So I thought I'd take a little wander through the park and see what the difference is between spring, summer and autumn. I mean, I'm sure you all know that, but obviously for the purpose of this video, I want to put it on video. So I'm going to take a little wander. It's a bit breezy today and it is freezing cold, but it's a beautiful sunny day up to now. A few clouds, but yeah, let's take a wander and let's see how the season changes in this park. Locked the car, haven't I? Yes. Gotta double check these days. Very quiet, apart from the wildlife. I have to say, I've said it before, but I'll say it again. My favourite seasons are spring and summer. I do like autumn, but I like the warmer. I mean, look at the trees. I mean, as nice as they look, I prefer to see them full of leaves. I mean, this on a spring or summer morning would be a lovely... I mean, it's lovely now. Hi, swans. Have you got anything to say to the camera? Oh. Hi, ducks. Yes, it is a lovely day still, but I don't like the cold. But I do love how autumn changes the colours of the trees. It is a weekday today, and all the children are in school. Imagine the difference being a Saturday or a Sunday here. Ooh, very busy. I love the way the ground gets blanketed with leaves. as you can see, I'm quite spoiled for choice on what direction to go. I go in many directions here, just for the hell of it. Why don't we not go up this way and have a look? Isn't it pretty when the leaves start to die off and they start going orange, yellow, reds? I guess in the summer it is, I don't want to say boring because everything's just green, but you've got your different shades. Obviously it is more picturesque and prettier in the autumn. But all I have to say to that is roll on spring, roll on summer. I mean, like I say, I do like autumn, but the worst part of autumn is, you know, the next one is winter, and I hate winter with a passion. Winter's okay when you stay indoors. Little doggies don't mind what season it is.
Let's get our story right.
These woods look really cool. Cute doggies. Let's take a wander through these woods. Wow. And suddenly it gets dark. I should have brought my light. Well, I've got my light, but yeah, it means taking my backpack off, get my light out, blah blah blah. Mind you, these GoPros are not too bad for picking up light in darker places, as I've figured out in the last few videos I've done. Whoa, imagine being here in the dark. What the hell's that? Oh, just the way the trees are. I'm at my happy place when I'm in these kind of places. Woods, forest, even beaches. I've just noticed walking towards this tree, I've seen a squirrel climb up. No, I don't think I'll go that way. Let's go over here. Once again, footwear, most inappropriate footwear for this kind of place. I need to invest in a pair of hiking boots. Well, where I was intentionally walking was from that way. I've cut a huge chunk off. Rarely anybody comments on these outdoor vlog videos, but if you like this sort of thing, woodland, forests, places like that, leave a comment below. Let me know where your favourite places are. What's that critter? I found a squirrel. Spooked. All gathering the food for the coming winter months. It's been a long while since I've come along here. Those of you know that my favourite place is Cannock Chase, but I haven't got time to go there today. I could have done if I got up earlier, but I wanted some time in bed. Once I finish this, I've got to head back, do my usual, go to the shops, get some food in. I've got plenty of food, but I have special instructions for my daughter today, what she wants for her dinner after school. And yes, I have to pick her up after school. So, man, this place looks so different in autumn time. It really does. Of all the times that I've been here and passed along here, I can honestly say I've never seen up there. Oh, what tree is it? Not that one. That tree there. A birdhouse. Or is it a trail cam or a CCTV camera? Because they do have them in here. Although they're not that effective in the summer when the whole place is covered in foliage. I tell you what, because the sun is shining today, this is the makings of a better video. I mean, it'd still be, in my opinion, a good video if it was a gloomy day, cloudy and stuff. But with that autumn sunshine breaking through the trees, man, really nice. Step aside, someone on a bike. Morning. Yes, that's proof, she said morning, that it's morning. I am out of bed in the mornings. Although it's about 10 o'clock. And again, this place, everybody's friendly. I've noticed that the holly leaves are becoming a darker green now, so they thrive obviously in the winter time, autumn stroke winter. The classic holly you see at Christmas time, the dark green leaves and the red berries. Yeah, those will be out soon, the berries. You know, when I first arrived here, I said it was freezing cold, and it was. But it's amazing. Just a short walk away, and I've all warmed up quite nicely. I think them trees through there The last time I was here, well, not maybe it's the last time, but one time I was there, I'm sure I flew the drone up there. I can't recall ever been through that way before. I do believe I started off my walk over there. I've just done a huge circle around here. If my bearings are correct, to the left there's a donkey sanctuary over there, which I think if you watched all my outdoor videos, at one point you would have seen I was down there. Do you know what? It's quite breezy, and at the risk of it getting more breezy, I'm going to take the risk. You guys know what's coming, don't you? I'm going to take the drone up, have a look and see what this place looks like in the autumn from the sky. But before I do that, I need to try and find a place. No one's going to bug me. I ain't going to bug anybody else. People coming and going over that way. I think could be by those trees there, or let's have a look down here. Yeah, that's the pathway heading towards civilization, so I don't want to be too much in the open. Not that I'm going to attract much attention really, but I'd just like some cover of trees. Looking at the ground though, my backpack's going to get wet. That's alright, it's waterproof. That sun in your eyes. Oh, should have brought my sunglasses. Well, I need to be in the shade so I can see what I'm doing when I'm flying the drone. You know what? I think just there is exactly where I flew my drone in the spring stroke summer, whenever it was. So why not do exactly the same thing and fly it here? I'll do that. Right. Now I know the last time I did that here, there was a few black spots, so I'm expecting pretty much similar. So to see what I'm doing, awkward one-handed. Oh, there we go. Man, trees are going orangey red over there. So anyway, yes, let's have a look at this from the sky, eh? I said I would probably get a few warnings, which I did on the flight itself, you know, the black spots and all that stuff, and typically that's what I got. But there was one warning I got, said that the drone would be unable to return to home position because the wind was too high. And I thought, I've flown the drone in windier conditions, but yeah, I ignored it. And it carried on its merry way. So yeah, a lot of the trees, surprisingly, in some areas, haven't discoloured yet. So maybe that's another video at a later time. But yeah, when I took the video, the drone, straight over that direction over there, we've got a lake here and a lake over there. That lake in the distance is the Bolton Lake. I didn't want to risk taking the drone that far because, you know, it was a little bit breezy in parts, so I thought, nah. I tried to sort of replicate the video from the spring summer. So you know, anybody that has seen it before, or if you haven't seen it, go and take a look and see the difference in the two flights. Pretty much similar anyway. So the last time I was here, as I say, I flew the drone in exactly the same spot. I'd done a walk from the cars parked over there, so I'd done a walk pretty much all the way around there, and I came across here. And when I left, I went that way and there was a stream, and I took that all the way back to the car park. And why not? I'm going to do exactly the same thing again. So kind of repetitive, but at the same time it's not, because it's a different part of the year. Things are changing. A lot more squirrels out. And I'm freezing cold. So what I'm going to do is, before anything, obviously, I'm going to get myself back home. I'm going to make myself a nice hot drink. My drone case is a little bit wet, so I'll leave that out to dry. And get the old shopping list out and get myself to the store, get a few bits that I need, stuff that my daughter's asked for. And yeah, so anyway, waffling on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, give it a little like, share the video. So I've noticed on the YouTube analytics that some of you have shared the video, and I appreciate that. Let's push these videos out so more people can see them. And subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel, sun's in the way now, is get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Imagine that, 1,000 subscribers before New Year 2024. Let's start out with 1,000 subscribers. Now that would be fantastic. So yes, like the video, share the video, comment if you like, and subscribe. So thank you guys, thank you all for watching this video. I am going to head back to the car now. I'll go that way, and I'll see you all on the next video. Take care.